What is going on YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is a channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, guys, we're going to talk about and unbox actually a fantastic alternative to the Adidas Yeezy 700 V2 Static. This one sells for a lot of money, but I was able to find a really good alternative that will just set you a little over $100 or a little over 6,000 pesos here in the Philippines. Let's go. You guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are in the middle of a giveaway. We are giving away, thanks to our sponsors New Balance Philippines as well as Soul Academy, a brand new New Balance 997 Sport Leather Premium Pack. All you guys have to do, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, follow me on Instagram, and then click the link down below so you can see the rest of the mechanics. Go! This is one of my favorite Yeezys to date. It is futuristic, it is sleek, the 3M material just adds so much to it instead of taking away from it and making it a distracting feature. In fact, in my review of this sneaker, I called it one of the best Yeezys that Kanye made in 2018. In fact, one of the best Yeezys made, in my opinion, in a long while. Now, the problem with this one is that it sells for a lot of money. Here in the Philippines, it retailed for like 16,000 pesos, and it currently resells for a little over 24 to 25,000 pesos. When I was in Japan, I was able to get it for, I think, 18,000 yen. And right now, if you take a look at the prices in terms of resale, it's also similarly along that price range, around 25 to 30,000 pesos. So this is a pretty pricey and premium shoe. Now, let's say you want to have a dad shoe like this one and you don't have that much budget, and you want to get something that's very different, that's very distinct, that's very unique, just so you don't look like everybody else. I think I have the solution for you guys. I was out over at COMMONWEALTH. They're a fantastic sneaker store here in the Philippines, and they were already offering the new M2K TEKNO Premium in both the brown and in the silver colorway. Now, the two are selling for a little over 6,700 pesos. I think that's roughly $130. My math can be fuzzy, so just double check. And the silver one looks eerily similar to this one. Now, it is a bit more roundish and curvish compared to the 700s, but it does give the same vibe, the same silver metallic color without the, 3M, but it looks hella premium and it looks amazing considering the price point. And to top it all off, they're still available. They're still stock. So if you make your way over to COMMONWEALTH, chances are you'll be able to pick one up. Now, I was really torn between picking the silver one and the brown one. I wanted the silver one because I just wanted to make the video for you guys and compare it to the Yeezy 700, but I probably wouldn't wear it as often. So I ended up copying the brown version. This vlog, we are unboxing my latest pickup. Guys, this is the M2K TEKNO SP. I don't know what SP means. Does it mean special or special premium? I don't know. But this is the NIKE M2K TEKNO SP in a linen ale brown wheat colorway. Let's go. As you guys can see, it comes in your typical Nike black box with the Nike logo here up front. You have the rest of the information over here. I got it in size 12. Now, please take note that the M2K TEKNO runs a little bit big. But like what I keep mentioning, guys, I have wide feet. So usually, when the shoe says take a half size down, I usually just go through the size. And that's what I did with this one. I went through to size 12. But I would recommend, if you do have like wide or narrow feet, that you do consider try going half a size down. So if you slide the box open, immediately you're greeted with, wrapping paper. That's what most of what you guys get, see when you do pick up like a sneaker. And this is what the shoe looks like. Guys, this is the Nike M2K TEKNO in wheat ale brown color. Now, it's definitely a looker. You have that really wavy, thick midsole that you have going on here. Then you have that gum outsole here at the very bottom. You have a lot of texture for the upper, lots of things going on. It's not just one material. It's not just made out of suede. It's actually a combination of a lot of things. So you have some sort of like reinforced mesh over here near the toe box. And what amazes me is if you take a look at the pattern over there, that's the wheat color. It seems like it looks like it's woven or something. And that same pattern you can see throughout the sneaker, especially here near the collar of the ankle. It just looks really cool. Apart from that material, you also have accents of suede. I'm not sure if it's like suede or nubuck. It feels suede. It feels like suede. So you have like a suede accent here near the laces over here that stretches all around the sneaker, which ends over here near the swoosh on both the lateral and the medial side. It comes with rope laces, so that's the laces that you guys see here. But what I also found interesting is that it has some sort of like wool or whatever kind of lining inside the shoe in itself. So it's supposed to keep your feet a little bit warm, which I'm not sure is a nice thing if you live in the tropical country like the Philippines. But hey, if there's winter in your country, then that might make a lot more sense. Just like with the other M2K Tekno models, it's really padded, so that should give you a lot of comfort if you are wearing this. Now guys, I already did a review of the M2K Tekno in the black, orange, like blue colorway. I'll put a link down below. In summary, I found it to be one of the most comfortable sneakers that you can buy at less than $100 or around 4,900 pesos here in the Philippines. The thing that you get with this particular model is that the upper gets completely reworked with a lot of premium material. So if you want an M2K Tekno that stands out, that's different from a lot of the M2K models out in the market today, and you want something with a little more character, that's multi-dimensional, that's not just made out of one material, that's a little bit more elegant and premium, this is the one for you. And again, like what I mentioned, the best thing about it is that it won't completely break your bank account because it just sells for a little over 6,600 something pesos. I highly recommend it if you guys are looking for a dad chunky sneaker and your budget is just around the 6,000 to 7,000 peso mark. This is definitely a must try and should be part of your for consideration list. Now, apart from the M2K Tekno, there are also a bunch more of other dad chunky sneakers that you might want to consider in case you guys are looking for an alternative. Of course, the nearest alternative, just looking at Adidas, is you have the Yung 1 and the Yung 98 series. I don't think I still have a Yung 1 anywhere here. Oh, I have the Frieza Yung 1. So that one has the similar vibe of being a dad chunky like sneaker. And apart from that, you also have the Yung 96, which is like the smaller brother of it, which comes in multiple colorways, very similar to the wavy futuristic vibe, especially of the original 700 Wave Runner. Apart from that, when you move over to Puma, you have the Thunder Spectra. So you have if you want a cleaner model, there's a completely white version. There's the maroon color, and then of course you have the OG colorway. So there are a lot of like options that you can pick from depending on your price, on your, I don't know, how much your budget is. In fact, if you want to go way down, then you might want to consider a bunch of all the Fila sneakers that are selling for like 3,000 pesos here in the Philippines, or a little over $60. So yeah guys, I don't want to keep you. That's actually it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.